Take a good look at this video. What do you see?
Look at the UFO, bitch!
No, we not making this shit up. Look at her, she gonna put. It's a UFO for real.
At first glance, it might just look like a drone with a light. That's what I thought too. So I started digging, and here's what I found. To make a light beam like that from a drone, it's not as easy as strapping on a flashlight. You need some serious equipment and conditions. A high-intensity spotlight, we're talking tens of thousands of lumens. A narrow beam angle so it doesn't spread out. Fog or humidity, so the beam is even visible. A drone that can hover super steady, and it needs to fly up to 400 feet high. That's right. The FAA limit for drones is 400 feet above ground, unless you have special clearance. Now here's why I'm not 100% buying this UFO idea. First of all, we are extremely lucky to be here. The Earth is fine-tuned for life in ways most people don't even think about. Just one example. Mars, about 4.5 billion years ago, was actually similar to Earth. But because of its tilt and weak magnetic field, it slowly lost its atmosphere. Now it's just a dry, dusty rock. Earth, on the other hand, is perfectly set up. Right tilt, magnetic shield, distance from the sun, atmosphere, all of it. So if life does exist elsewhere, it's probably not little green men, more like microscopic stuff, bacteria at best.